Hi, this is Keisha, the instructor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on today, we're going to talk about how to customize the quick access toolbar for beginners. So first and foremost, if you don't remember, the office ribbon is this top portion here that I'm taking my mouse pointer across. And it has the different tabs and commands located on the office ribbon. So if you don't have the quick access toolbar showing, which in this example it's not showing, you have to click the ribbon display options down arrow to access that. So over here is this down arrow, and if you put your mouse pointer over the tab bit, oops, I clicked too fast. It will tell you this is the ribbon display option and gives you a little more information about it. So let's click the down arrow. And then what I want us to do next is check the option that says Show Quick Access Toolbar. So when we did that, you notice right below the office ribbon, this here appeared. So let me click again and hide it, and then watch what I'm talking about. Right below the office ribbon, right now there's nothing there, but when we go over and click this down arrow to the ribbon display options and then choose Show Quick Access Toolbar, then that toolbar appears. So here it is here. So that leads us to topic number 2. You're going to click the Custom Quick Access Toolbar arrow, and then we have all of these options here. So you as the user would select select what your favorite tools are. So let's click here again, and let's just do a quick print. You notice as I select some of my favorite tools, they're appearing on the quick access toolbar. We'll do undo, and I call undo and redo my best friend in Office. Click the down arrow again, and let's do one more or two more. We'll do email, and then we're going to click the down arrow, and if you don't see a tool that you like or you want to use, you can go to more commands, and then from here you can choose what you want. So say I wanted this add and remove filter button. Select that command and click add, and then it shows with the ones I've already chosen, and then I would click OK, and then now we have selected some of our favorite tools. Now the fourth topic, show below or above. So what we're talking, you can show this quick access toolbar below the office ribbon or above it. This picture here that I have highlighted, and you see it has our tabs here, is showing the quick access toolbar above the office ribbon. So how do we do that? We click the down arrow, and then you're going to choose show above the ribbon, and then it disappears where it was below it, and now it's above it. So in order to bring it below again, you just select this same down arrow, and then you choose to show below the ribbon, and then here our quick access toolbar appears again. Now we've already talked about number 5, you can add more commands. Now let's hide the toolbar. Now remember, we started out with it being hidden anyways, but we'll click here, and we're going to go down and hide the quick access toolbar, so it disappears again. And remember, in order to get that quick access toolbar to appear again, you would go back to step 1 and click on the ribbon display option, and then show your quick access toolbar. Now that our toolbar is available again, currently I have hidden the labels already, but we're going to click the down arrow to make those labels appear. So we have show command labels. So I'm going to select there. And now we can see the command labels. Quick print, if you didn't know that's what this one was, our undo, redo, email, and then filter. So of course if you wanted to hide, just simply back to your the customized quick access toolbar options, and then go and you can hide the command labels. So thank you for watching this YouTube video on quick access toolbars for beginners. If you're learning and like what you see and what you're learning, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on all my videos, this video and others that I've done. And see you in our next video. Thank you.